guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Money Shay. If you didn't know, now you know. And today, as you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a haul. My favorite thing to do on YouTube, and you guys' favorite thing to watch. My hauls always do better views-wise than any of my other videos. So we're gonna do a haul today. Before we get started, I'm gonna let you guys know to like, subscribe, and comment on this video for more videos. Go ahead and get your glass and get ready because we're gonna get into these clothes, okay? Toast. Now let's get into it. Mary had a little lamb, okay? Okay. Obviously, y'all already know when I do a haul, I have to incorporate my brands because it's like, why not? Come on, you gotta know how to market, right? So we're gonna get into these clothes. I'm gonna start with Pretty Little Things and then I'm gonna move on to Playhouse Fashion. Or I might just do them like intertwined. I don't know yet. But yeah, let's just get into this video. This is what I got for you guys. You guys see what this says? Xmas, as in Christmas. I ordered this stuff from Pretty Little Things December 4th. It is January 7th and I got it on January 4th. It took an entire month to come. Like, I was so like, thumbnail. Okay. So I don't have a lot. This is like a mini haul. But girl, I got on my robe because, you know, why not? Okay, so yeah. So I decided that I'm going to start with a shirt first since I don't have a shirt on under my robe. So I'm gonna try on this multi-renaissance printed high neck long sleeve bodysuit in the size US 6. I'm pretty sure y'all done seen this bodysuit all over Pretty Little Things. And I seen an outfit on Instagram with it and I was like, that is so cute. So I need to get it. And this is what it looks like. And I love, like, I just love printed stuff. So this is what we are working with this top. Oh, this top is so bomb. I really love it. Like, you could wear this. I was about to say you can dress it up or you can dress it down, but I don't really think you can dress this down. But it's even cute with like a slick bag, like interview, date night. Y'all, this is so cute. And I thought it was gonna be tight fitting on me because my boobs are really big, but it actually fits very perfect, like very perfect, really perfectly. So this is cute, this is bomb. Giving everything it needs to give, and that's on who? Mary Had a Little Lamb. Okay. I on this jacket, y'all. I've been waiting for this jacket to come for so long. I even bought shoes for Christmas to go with this jacket, so it's time to try it on. This is their vinyl. This is it, y'all. What? Girl, I can't wait to connect them on Instagram. Like, this is cute. It don't really go too well with this shirt that I have on, but that's okay because y'all get the concept. And if you don't, let me zip it up for you. Again, no pockets. I hate that it don't got no pockets. Like, but it's so cute. It's so real cute, right? Don't play with that girl. She's not one of them. That's on who? Mary Had a Little Lamb. So please, I'm trying this top. And it's the Shake Stone Fox Leather Corset Top. Now this was an accident. I ordered this by accident. I meant to order the pants that was on the model. So I thought like it was the pants. I didn't realize it was the top, but I was just like, whatever. What size? This is US 6 again. I'm a size 6 top and bottom, y'all. So leather and it's nude. It looks lighter on the model, but girl, it's okay. Actually fits really good. It's kind of tight, girl. I don't know. This top is a little weird, but it is very cute. Like I said, it is leather, and I don't know. And it's like kind of flimsy. It's supposed to be like a corset, but it's flimsy. For real, for real. And then these aren't like the wires that come in most corsets. This is just like, I don't know, I guess a pattern. I don't know. It's okay. I don't know. It'll give the girls what it needs to give, okay? And I'm kind of scared. I'm actually gonna try on this small just because this top has no support in the boob area, and y'all know my girls are big. So it is long sleeve. The long sleeve part is mesh, and the rest of it is, oh, there's some mesh right here. It's like a mixture of mesh, and then it's like spandex material, and then there's a zipper in the front, and then it comes down like that. So I'm about to try this on, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on me. Like I said, it has no support in the boob area, and it's a little see-through, so I'm gonna cover up my nipples. But y'all, it is, y'all already know what I'm gonna say, it's bomb. Like, it's bomb. I gotta cover my nipples and hold my boobs because there's literally no support. So if you're like big boob, if you have big boobs, there's not gonna be any support with this top. So if they don't really sit up on their own, then you might not like this top. I don't like this top, but it is so cute, you guys. Like, this top is not the two, definitely the one. Yeah, they have fashion. I'm wearing a size small, so go shop, period. The dress looks like, you guys, it is very see-through. You guys can see my bra and my underwear. So yeah, I'm not even gonna turn all the way around, but this dress is so bomb, you guys. Look how it like curves your body. It is so nice. I wear this on New Year's and you both feel like a bad, okay? It is so cute, and it's very petite. Like, if I could give any size recommendations, I would say petite girls, this one is for you. This dress is very tight fitting. I have on a medium and it's still really tight, but I think it's made like that so that it can capture all the curves. But yes, girl, it's so bomb. Do you see that? Do you see that? You see it. Don't act like you don't see it, because that's on who? May have a little land. But yes, this is Crooked Lines dress on my website, Playhouse Fashion. The link will be down below. And the very last thing, the very last piece of clothes that I have are these jeans that I just added to my site. Y'all, these jeans is really it. You don't see my jeans? Do you see my jeans? Cause they real cute and they real bomb, and it's giving everything that it needed to give. I love these jeans, yo. With the strings, curve. I got them for Christmas, and I decided to incorporate them because I never do shoes in my haul. So I got these shoes to go with my vinyl jacket, the Yeezy 350 Boost. And y'all, these are so bomb. I got it in a size 5.5 wide, so my feet are really small, but these are so cute and they're gonna go so well with my new vinyl. So that is all that I have to show you guys. I was like too scared to buy any more stuff from anywhere because y'all know USPS been having that little problem or whatever, and everything was just like literally backed up. So I haven't even really been buying clothes like that. So I'm so sorry that this haul is really small, but y'all know I'm gonna come with another one, so don't even trip. That is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and Put your post notifications on so you know when I post. I post very randomly, so you ain't never know when your girl gonna post unless you have your post notifications on. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.